The future of professional computing has just arrived, and if you have been waiting for the perfect balance of raw power and elegant design, the wait is officially over. We're looking at the new MacBook Neo 2, a machine that does not just iterate on its predecessor. It completely redefines what we expect from a mobile workstation. From the moment you lift the lid, the experience is different. The display technology utilized here is nothing short of a visual revolution, pushing pixels with a clarity and color accuracy that makes every other screen in your office look like a relic from the past. Whether you are a creative professional editing high bitrate 8K footage or a software engineer compiling massive code bases, the internal architecture has been engineered to eliminate bottlenecks entirely. The thermal management system is so advanced that it remains whisper quiet under heavy sustained workloads, a feat that many manufacturers have chased for years, but few have actually achieved. What is truly striking is how the hardware integration with the latest operating system creates a synergy that feels almost telepathic. Applications open instantly, background processes manage themselves with surgical precision, and the overall longevity of the system promises to keep this machine relevant for half a decade or more. You're not just buying a laptop. You are investing in a seamless ecosystem where your ideas can transition from concept to final product without a single stutter in performance. As we dive deeper into the underpinnings of this device, the focus shifts to the silicon. The processing unit inside this machine represents the absolute ceiling of current consumer-available technology. It handles parallel tasks with a level of efficiency that defies logic, managing to keep power consumption low while delivering benchmark scores that frankly should not be possible on a battery-powered device. But it is not just about the numbers. It is about how that power translates to your daily life. Imagine rendering complex 3D scenes while simultaneously multitasking across dozens of browser tabs and heavy creative applications without the system breaking a sweat. This is the promise of the Neo 2. The memory bandwidth has been expanded significantly, allowing for lightning-fast data throughput that ensures you are never left staring at a loading bar. Storage speeds follow suit, utilizing next-generation NVMe standards that make file transfers feel instantaneous. We have seen a lot of hardware come across our desk this year, but there is a specific feeling when you handle this machine, a realization that the manufacturing tolerances, the tactile response of the keyboard, and the build quality of the chassis are all operating at a peak level. It is a refinement process that only happens when a company stops focusing on features for the sake of marketing and starts focusing on the actual workflow of the power user. Connectivity and portability have always been the Achilles heel of high-performance laptops, but the MacBook Neo 2 changes the conversation entirely. Apple has managed to pack a massive amount of I/O capability into a chassis that still feels incredibly thin and light. The integration of high-speed ports ensures that your external workflows, whether you're using high-end audio interfaces, external RAID arrays, or multiple high-resolution displays, are handled without the need for a desk full of dongles. Furthermore, the battery life is truly the star of the show. In our extensive testing, even with high-intensity tasks that would typically kill a standard laptop in 90 minutes, the Neo 2 kept going. It changes the psychology of using a computer. You stop looking for outlets, you stop managing your power settings, and you simply focus on the work in front of you. This is true freedom for the mobile professional. The audiovisual experience is rounded out by a speaker system that provides such depth and soundstage that you might actually forget you're listening to a laptop. It is this attention to the minor details, the crispness of the webcam, the precision of the haptic trackpad, the instant wake-from-sleep functionality that solidifies the Neo 2 as the new gold standard for the industry. This machine is built for the person who cannot afford downtime, the creator who lives on the bleeding edge, and the professional who knows that time is the only currency that truly matters.